Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want perfectly straight lines and precise alignment in Goodnotes, the ruler tool is one of the most useful features for clean professional notes. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use the ruler in Goodnotes in 2026 accurately and efficiently. First thing, activate the ruler tool. So open your notebook, okay, tap the ruler tool like you have here many options, okay. You have this, you have search, you have lasso, you have pen, eraser, text, elements, images, okay. You have shape tool, you have sticky notes tool, you have laser point, you have this. So you have to find the ruler tool, okay, and after that a ruler will appear on your screen. So position the ruler, so drag the ruler anywhere on the page, place it where you want to draw, align it with your content, rotate the ruler, okay, rotate it. Use two fingers on the ruler, rotate it to your desired angle, and it's perfect for horizontal lines, vertical lines. You will see the angle while rotating. So draw along the ruler. You can select the pen, okay. So for example, like this, and draw along the edge of the ruler. Your line will stay perfectly straight, okay. So follow the edge closely for best results, okay. So adjust and repeat. Move the ruler to another position, for example, and draw additional lines, build diagrams or table. It's great for structured notes, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.